Hello all, welcome to TechnoStack. In the section of working with Python, today we are going to see how to convert a dictionary into panda series. So what we have is over here, we have a sample dictionary and we have to convert it into this series. So let's get started. First we'll import pandas library. Now what we'll do is we take a variable for dictionary and then we go over here and just copy the dictionary that we have over here as a sample dictionary. Now we'll just print this dictionary for our reference. Now what we'll do is conversion of dictionary and series. Okay, so we have a variable, let's take series equals to what we'll do is pd.series, and then we'll pass the variable used for dictionary, that is dlc. Now we just have to print the newly formed series. This is all we have to do. We'll just run the code, and as you can see over here, first the dictionary is printed, then we have converted the dictionary successfully into a series. So this is how we convert dictionary into a series. What we do is we take the dictionary and then with the help of pandas library we use this series constructor and convert the dictionary into a series. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more such content for TechnoStack. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel.